So Stephen and I were from the Singapore Sailing Federation, but the program is sponsored by DBS.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this feedback is organized by DBS because they have been providing this.
I have a DBS card.
Then you write there and say how come no champagne on the boat. So they want to hear some feedback lah, so we have to give because otherwise they've been doing this and then how come nobody feedback anything. They're wondering like, are we doing anything? Why no people say it's a nice experience, it's boring like shit.
We are going to.
And previously they have a souvenir. I'm not sure, so don't hold me to it. Once you do your feedback, you keep the browser. Don't close the browser or don't take a screenshot. If you go there, you ask them whether got souvenir. If they run out of it, it's a fan now. Don't want to wait your appetite. Then they go there, the lousy fan always run. They may have run out already because the time National Day they have this.